Friends, Jai Mata Kali. So right now I am in front of the entrance of the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is one of the most popular temple located in the heart of Kolkata, opposite of Belur Math, out on the bank of the Hooghly Ganga river. So let's see an astro to greet me and bolo Mata Kali ki Jai, Jai Mahakali. So I am going, and even I am also so excited to go inside this temple, Dakshineshwar Kali. So let's stay update with me and astro to greet me. So bolo the place which is also related with the Swami Vivekanand, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi. So stay updated together with me and explore together. Thank you. Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is also called as a Dakshineshwar Kali Bari, is the temple which is situated on the eastern bank of the Hooghly river. The presiding deity of the temple is Bhautarni Mother Kali, a form of Mahadevi or Parashakti Adya Kali, otherwise known as Adi Shakti Kalika. So this temple was built in 1855 by Rani Rasmani, a zamindar, philanthropist and a devotee of Mother Kali. So this temple is also known for its association with the Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi, who was a spiritual teacher master of the Swami Vivekanand, who was a mystic of 19th century in Bengal at that time. So in this temple, these are one main temple of Mother Kali, 12 Shiva temples and one temple of Sri Radha Krishna. So this is the corridor, this is the way to go inside the temple. I am here and we can see there is a lots of buildings, rooms are also available here. So it is one of the most clean and so popular temple here available here. So I am going to seek the place of Mother Kali. So the main temple was inspired by the Navratna style Radha Kanta temple, which is located in Toliganj, built by the Babu Ramnath Mondal of the Bowairaj family. So it's very neat and clean temple. Just I crossed and close to the temple, so I'm going inside the temple. Even inside the temple, camera is not allowed, so go along with the smartwatch, cameras, mobile or any devices. So this is the food plaza located also here, which is one of the most places where I get lots of food and different types of variety of the food here in this food plaza. So yearly we can feel about the architectures and design of this temple, which is make as so unique. So this is the main temple of the Mahakali. We can see this, which is visible from the here. So even shoes store, mobile stores and the bag luggage store are also available here, like clock store, clock room. So even the temple compound, apart from the 9 aspired main temple, contains a large courtyard surrounding with many rooms along with the boundary walls. So there are 12 shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. Kali concerns along with the riverfront, a temple of Radha Krishna, a bathing ghat on the river, a shrine dedicated to Rani Rasumani. So Nahabat, the chamber in the north corner just beyond the last of the Shiva temples, is the place where Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi spent her a considerable part of their lives. So even the architecture of this temple, built in a Navratna or 9 spires styles of the Bengal architecture, and the 3-staired south-facing temple has 9 spires. So it's a stand on a high platform with a height of stairs. Overall, it measures up 40 meters, 46 feet a square, and rises over 30 meters high. So even the Garbhagriha, which is called as a Sanctum Sanctorum, houses an idol of the goddess Mahakali known as the Bhautarni, standing on the chest of Lord Shiva, and 2 idols are placed on a 1000-plated idol throne made of silver. So it's a one of the most beautiful temple here. And also it is also raining right now, not heavily, but it is like a drizzling rain is going on here, we can feel. So before that, I also visit lots of historical place and temple in Kolkata, such as the Kali Ghat. One of the most popular temple is also here. Belur Math, Ramakrishna Mission and headquarters, which is also located here. And even we can go Ramakrishna Mission and Math, which is located just opposite of the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, another opposite side of the Hooghly river. So it is also one of the most beautiful temple where we can go with ferry after crossing the river from the Dakshineshwar to Belur. So it is also one of the most wonderful experience where we can get through the ferry from Dakshineshwar to Belur Math. So that was also a very awesome journey, and even I also visit lots of historical places such as the William Fort, Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum, the Villa Planetarium, and Eden Garden is also available there, and the Cathedral, St. Paul Cathedral, and lots of historical places including all. So I got a very good experience here in Kolkata, and I learned so many things from the West Bengal history. And even Bishnupur is also one of the most popular place where the lots of temples of the Bishnupur are listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site from the 1987 that was built by the terracotta. So Mahakali ki jai, jai Mahakali, jai Mahakali. So right now I just came inside the temple of Dakshineshwar Kali. Even I cannot go inside to shoot the video of Mahakali inside the temple, so I am shooting from here. So let's see the view of the temple. Really it's a very unique and amazing temple, and even I am also feeling so awesome after coming to visit this temple of Dakshineshwar, which is located in Kolkata city. So bolo Mahakali ki jai. And even Mahakali, this place is always memorized because of the Dakshineshwar Kali temple of the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans, and the Ma Sarda Devi. So let's stay together with me and explore together with me and bolo Mahakali ki jai. Even it is also raining here right now, and I am also enjoying in the rainfall. It's not a heavy rainfall, but it's a drizzle rain which I am getting here. Just in front of the temples we can see the water is also visible on the floor of the temple from the outside, which is visible here. And in front of me there is a mobile store, clock room, and shoes store where we can keep our shoes and mobile and any kind of luggage and something like in clock room available also here. So the most beautiful temple which is visible from here, there is a main shrine of the goddess Mahakali. So bolo Shri Ambe Mahakali ki jai, jai Shri Kali Ma. So because in Bengal we know also very well about that, mostly devotees in Bengal worshipping the goddess Kali, and 24 hours their Hari Kirtan is also going inside the temple of Mother Kali, Sri Ram and Sri Krishna. And so really it's a very wonderful temple, decorated very well along with the green grass, some decoration plants, and also so this is the main gate of the temple. This is the entry gate or exit gate to go inside the Dakshineshwar Kali temple from the complex. It is located in the main complex. So let's see and explore. And just I got a seek a place of the Mother Goddess Kali and just came out. So let's explore to get me again from the outside. And many more devotees are always coming and going to seek the place of Mother Goddess Kali. And there is also one temple located just in front of me. So we can see this is one of the most beautiful temple of the Sri Sarda Ma, located here at the bank of the river Hooghly. And I also took a bath on the ghat of the river Hooghly. So this is also one of the statue of the mystic saint here. So in night time it's also looking so light up and decorated very well with the different types of the light. So really it's also a very good experience in night time also, because I spent also 4 to 5 hours, and this is my second time in Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Before that I was also on the first day when I came in Habra, Kolkata at that time. So I came first in this temple, and this is also my today. I came here after the 3 to 4 days back after visiting some historical place and the Durga Puja Pandal during the Dasara festival. And nowadays is the time of Dasara, so right now I am here. So really I also love this city because it is one of the most beautiful city here. And I also, so this is the many more stores are available who selling the prasadam, sacred thread, and some delicious and worshipping things here available here, like laddu, sweets, prasad, the sacred threads. So really it's a very good experience, and I'm also planning to return from here. And even Dakshineshwar Kali temple is connected with the Dakshineshwar railway station along with the Dakshineshwar metro. So thank you so much.